The coaching model is pretty straightforward. Someone comes in, they've got issues, and essentially you're loosening the grip on the problem, and you're then doing a change work, which in effect is cleaning the garden, and then you're laying the new seeds, which is the goals and outcomes. So in effect, if you equate coaching to gardening, coaching is like gardening in that step one is we look at the garden and we assess the mess that we have to get into and actually clean up. Step two would be loosening up the soil so that we can actually get in there and easily extract all the weeds and plants that we don't want. Step three is then actually removing the weeds, which is their baggage, their limiting beliefs, their emotional issues that are currently present. Step four, once the garden's all clean, is then laying the seeds that you want. That's the equivalent of setting goals, creating an action roadmap forward. And then step five is watering those seeds and looking after the garden so that the work and effort you just did, the seeds that you've just sown, actually grow and bear fruit. And that is the equivalent of doing accountability sessions once a fortnight, once a month, checking in, setting goals, making sure that client is someone who's they're accountable to.